If it says 90 days for holding elections, it is our duty to say that. It is not our choice. It is not our choice. It is our duty to say that, instead of finding a reason why we should avoid to say that. This is what has happened. You call it controversy. I'm sorry, I'm not worthy of controversy. I'm a very humble person. You say you support us, please don't say that. I'm just one of the members of the Supreme Court of Pakistan. If you stand up for the Constitution and the law, then you must support the Supreme Court of Pakistan. But the important thing is that the Supreme Court, when it speaks on merit, its judgment has moral authority. The leaders of Pakistan, the political leadership of Pakistan, agreed to start negotiations, which have not ended yet. This is what we were informed. We have nothing to do with that. But at least they are conscious that they have a duty to comply the Constitution. And we are there to support that effort. Otherwise, our judgment is there. It has a force of its own. It may not be implemented today, but it will last to the test of time and shall be implemented tomorrow.